This is a Hansvedt EDM machine, model CS-1. Has a 201 power supply on it. Now I'm going to do an edge find. You can hear it's beeping. You can set 0 for X, Y, Z. Bring the electrode back up. Move over to where you're going to burn. Press the power on button. Electrode's going to come down. It's now burning in the Z axis. You can see on the digital readout that it's burning. I'm going to increase the power. Burning perfectly on the machine, on the control. There's what's called RAM cycler, and you can hear the electrode is going up and down. That's the cycling that's happening. Everything is working fine. You see all your meters are great. The machine is a very nice Hansvedt CS-1 RAM EDM.